Hi, today we're talking about how licensing your brand could actually be the fastest way for you to expand your business or real estate agency. I'm Kristen Porter from Ono Legal, the real estate agents lawyers, and growing brands, I feel so passionate about it. I feel so lucky to be able to help really savvy business owners, real estate agency owners expand their brands faster. The other day, I think it was Friday, got off a call with a prospective new client, and they can see a real opportunity in their market. They're a real estate agency. They can see that there's a lot of Class 1 licensees starting to go out on their own. However, what they see, and what we see a lot in this model, is that often these are sales principals who just want to list and sell, and I totally get it. And that's why there's this opportunity for brands to be able to create an environment where those principals can go and do that. And so we are seeing a lot more models pop up in the IP and brand licensing space, where they then also provide some back-end services to those people. So departing from the traditional franchise model because of all the red tape and all the legislation and the risks that goes with being a franchisor, into this new world. And it really is a very fast way to grow your brand without having to do a huge amount of capital outlay. Because if you think about it, if you had to go and open another office, you've got your fit out, you've got all your lease costs, your personnel, just everything that goes with it. Whereas if you can license your brand to someone else to open an office or to operate from their car, driving around to appointments, that's what we know sales agents should be doing, shouldn't be in the office very long. If you can provide that environment for someone else, then it can be win-win. The big thing you do want to be thinking about, the two big things actually you want to think about if you are going down this IP licensing route, is one, want to make sure that you don't accidentally operate a franchise and accidentally be caught under all of those rules, because there are massive fines. And the second thing too, which relates to the first one as well, is how much control are you willing to give up? Because obviously if it's your office or you're a franchisor, there's a hell of a lot you can control and put rules around, where if you're under a brand licensing model, yes, you can put some things in place like brand guidelines that will help with the brand consistency. But outside of that, you've really got to make sure you're bringing the right people into your network so that your brand doesn't get tarnished. So if you are thinking about expanding faster and using this IP licensing route, feel free to reach out to have a chat.